Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we have something truly special of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63. This legendary SUV has been redefined for the modern era while staying true to its iconic design and unparalleled performance. Let's dive deep into what makes this powerhouse stand out. Starting with the exterior, the new G63 retains its unmistakable boxy silhouette, but with refined details that enhance its presence. The front grille features the signature AMG Panamericana design with vertical slats, flanked by high-performance LED headlights that provide a sleek yet aggressive look. The wider stance, sculpted hood, and flared wheel arches add to its muscular appeal. It rides on massive 22-inch AMG forged wheels, and the side exhaust pipes remain a signature feature, giving it that distinctive AMG growl. The rear has been slightly updated with new LED taillights and a more aerodynamic spare wheel cover. Moving to the interior, the cabin is nothing short of a luxury masterpiece. Premium Napa leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminium accents create a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. The new digital cockpit features a 12.3-inch dual-screen setup, running the latest MBUX infotainment system with AMG-specific displays. The Burmester 3D surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, while the ambient lighting, with 64 color options, sets the perfect mood. The AMG performance seats offer exceptional comfort and support, making both city drives and off-road adventures feel effortless. Rear passengers enjoy increased legroom and luxurious amenities, including heated and ventilated seats. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 G63 is powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8, producing an astonishing 585 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This beast can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, thanks to the AMG SpeedShift 9-speed automatic transmission. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, with multiple driving modes, ensures exceptional handling on any terrain. The new adaptive suspension and enhanced off-road capabilities make it more capable than ever, whether you're conquering sand dunes or city streets. As for the price, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 starts at around $180,000, with higher trims and customizations pushing it well past $200,000. It's an expensive machine, but for those who demand unmatched luxury, performance, and presence, it's worth every penny. That wraps up our review of the 2025 AMG G63. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NG Auto Review for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.